Alright, this is Steve with the Ozark Cruisers, another installment of What the Hell's Up with My Chinese Engine. I'm going to show you several different cylinders here, and what I wanted to point out is this here's an A cylinder, F80, and it drops right through. Here's a 40 millimeter style, drops right through. Here's some Chinese stuff that it will not even drop in there. If I was to push it in there, it'd get stuck. And here's another one. It gets barreled out down there in the bottom and you can't hardly push it through. At any rate, a lot of these brand new motors come with these tight cylinders. Maybe you don't even get it busted off the first time and it destroys itself, or maybe you get it started, everything's running fine, and then it destroys itself in a couple of days. Some of these cylinders are tight, and I can't stress this enough. If you're going to buy a good quality engine, you're going to have to buy it from a builder. There's plenty of people out there that are qualified to do it. Thanks for listening. This is Steve with Ozark Cruisers. Check us out sometime.